What's going on, people? Hope you're all having a brilliant day. So if you followed any of my videos previously, you'd know that I'm a software engineer. I've been in the industry for over 5 years now, and I've tried to create my own little products here and there. I've got some experience in the startup world as well, and I'm now happy to announce that I've created an alpha for a fitness app, something that I actually created for myself. So I got tired of using multiple apps for tracking my weight, tracking intermittent fasting, which I do, which is not only good for weight loss but also good for health for other reasons, clearing out the bad stuff in your body, as well as workout tracking and calorie tracking. So I've actually made a fitness app. Full disclaimer, I have used some AI in GitHub Copilot to help with parts of it, but obviously it didn't do the whole thing. And yeah, it's free to use at the moment. I'm gonna collage a video into this so you guys can see some of the features, and yeah, sign up. It's a free web app. You can use it on any device. Feedback is much appreciated, and yeah, hope you guys have a good day.
So starting off with the homepage, this is where it's just to greet you and show you how active you've been today, and if you've weighed yourself, it's just to prompt you to do, to log yourself, log your workout, log your weight, log your fasting, and just make sure you're staying on top of it. And at the bottom there, it will show you your latest weight as well. Something I just liked and found encouraging. Now going over to the weight section, this is where you can view the history of your logged weight and log your new or current weight as well. And it will give you a little glimpse of how you're performing. And if you go into analytics, you can, depending on the interval you pick, you can see trends of, how your weight loss or weight gain has been. And yeah, here we've only got 2 months worth of data. Now going over to the workout page, you can see your previous workout history, clicking into any of them, and you can, view your sets and reps and how much you were lifting. And if you start a new session here and select chest day, let's say, this is a template I'd made. You can log your workout set, let's say 12 kilograms, and boom. So you've got a rest timer here. So this is to help you track your rest time between sets. I found it quite useful because I wanted to be consistent with how long I'm resting between each set. Sometimes you can get carried away and rest for 2-3 minutes, whereas you probably want to stay consistent so that you've got less variables to worry about and your sets are consistent because you're resting the same amount. Now, if you switch over to the templates, you can see your previous templates and create new templates, such as I did, and you can edit them. And going over to analytics, you can see how you've been performing over the last week or over the last month, let's say, and it will show you how, if you've improved or what you've worked out the most. So you can see cable flies improved 20%. And quick log, this is for your cardio logging. So I'd like to add more detailed cardio tracking in the future, but this is just to kind of check the tick box to say I've done a run, or I've gone and swam, or I've done cycling. And in library, this is where you can see all the exercises, and if you click into any of them, you can see how you've been performing for that specific exercise. Now the fasting window, this is where you can see your current fast, your body state. So 4 hours means you're at the glycogen phase, etc. This is a new fast, so the body is not in any of those states, but it's essentially a progress bar that will progress. And if we just end this fast and we start a new one at, let's say, the 18-hour window, again, it will start the timer and it will tell you when your fast will end. Now the calories, this is so you can track basic calories and the item name. At the moment, there's no macro tracking, which I'd love to add in the future with potentially, barcode tracking as well, barcode scanning. And I'd like to add the feature where it can calculate how much calories you should consume depending on your weight and height, etc., and what your goals are. But that's to come, for the future. Now, if we move over to the socials page, this is where you can add friends and you could compare each other's performances in a leaderboard for the week. This is meant to be like friendly competition, maybe encourage each other to, keep performing, keep pushing yourselves. And then you've got a dark mode in the settings. This is a work in progress, so if you face any issues, please let me know. And so please sign up. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the link in the comments. This is a free web app, and early adopters, you know, once this becomes a full-fledged app, will be well treated and get discounts as well. So yeah, please sign up. Multiple feedbacks will be amazing, and have a good day.